So first, let's get familiar with the line tool. You can select the line tool from the large toolbar set, or just simply press L key. You'll notice that the cursor is changed into a pencil. Now click to set a starting point, and second, click to determine the endpoint. So if you don't want to draw the second edge from this point, then simply press Escape. Or if you want to end the tool, just hit the space key. Remember one thing, don't click and drag, but click and release. Okay, so let's erase this all. And let's create a rectangle without precise measurements. Just draw a line in the red axis. Then the green axis. Then again the green axis. And then close the edge. Reverse faces. And here we have our rectangle. So now we are going to make a rectangle using precise measurements. A rectangle of 4 by 4. In order to do that, specify the beginning point anywhere. Enter the value. Check the measurement box to see the value which you have entered. And then hit the enter key. And now you can repeat the same process. And there we have it, a rectangle with precise measurements. So now let's make a quick face in the blue axis. Hit the upper key to lock it in the blue axis. Enter 4 meter. And then just connect all these edges to make the face. So now we have created a face in 3D.